smoking, Jack. Got the auto racks back there, I see. They keep parking them there. Then they take them a few days later. Then they come and bring more, park them. Something I've never seen before around here. Symbol is CSX M566. That train starts out at the Bar Yard in Chicago, Illinois. Heads east to Selkirk, New York, where it terminates. All on this Tuesday, June 18th, 2024, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Going around the bend there, it's about a mile away. Check out the signals here. I believe we have red across the board. Yep, that's what we got. All right, here comes the next video. Roll it. Hey everybody, Wide World of Trains here. We are in Dunkirk, New York, and over the busiest railroad crossing as far as vehicle traffic goes in Chautauqua County here south of Buffalo. The crossing will be closed for the week. They're going to be repaving it and redoing it. A couple of spelling errors there. Railroad closing, throw. All next week. You can see right behind this sign is the railroad crossing X bar there. It'll be interesting because there's actually two sets of tracks. There's a CSX spur branch line right next to the Norfolk Southern crossing there. And no train horn after 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. Been like that for years. Alright, I'll be getting some videos of this. Here comes the next train video. Hey everybody, Wide World of Trains here. Gates are going down, train coming, roll it. Here's motoring, Jack. Symbol on that train is Norfolk Southern 28B. The 28B originates in Chicago, Illinois at the 63rd Street Yard. Heads east to Buffalo, New York, where it terminates at the Bison Yard. I'm in Pomfret, New York, about 50 miles southwest of Buffalo. On this Thursday, June 13th, 2024, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Signal's still red. It'll stay that way till he clears the block about 3 miles down the line. Let's go over to CSX, see if anything's coming over there. Maybe we'll get a meet. It's a hot one today. It's about 88 degrees. Hottest day of the year so far up here. These bugs keep flying around me. Must be bug day. Nothing that way. And nothing this way. Alright, here comes the next video. Roll it. hold it. Don't click away, because there's more trains to come. There always is that wide world of trains, because you ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Pretty cool with the end train DPU all right on the CSX M 561. 561 originates in Selkirk, New York, heads west to Cincinnati, Ohio, where it terminates at the Queensgate Yard. And we got green. On track 2 for an eastbound, so something else is coming. We just don't know when. It could be 5 minutes, it could be an hour. Signal will be dropping out unless this train is in the block, which I don't think it would be because I would hear it. There goes the signal's dropping out. All on this Monday, June 10th, 2024 from Wide World of Trains and YouTube. Here comes the next train video. Hey everybody, Wide World of Trains here. Check it out. CSX, roll it. And 544, all right. Motor and jack. Symbol on that train is CSX I-168. That train originates in Chicago, Illinois at the 59th Street Yard, heads east to Port Newark, New Jersey, where it terminates. On this Sunday, June 10th, 2024, from a wide world of trains on YouTube. Had an old Saf Marine stack container on there. Don't see too many of them anymore. I believe they were bought out by Maersk. Alright, here comes the next video. Roll it. His motoring jack. What a big train that was. Symbol is CSX I-009. That train starts out in South County, New Jersey, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at Bedford Park. All on this Thursday, June 6th, 2024, from a wide world of trains on YouTube. Anything else coming? I don't think so. Alright, we're going to stick around here for a couple hours and hopefully get some more trains. Here comes the next train video. Roll it.